Hey guys, what up? And I am going to show you many useful Bukkit plugins, because I didn't show very many in my last video on how to make the server, so I just decided to. So, here is my brand new server. See, I have no plugins in here, so what we can do is we can go to, okay, come on, okay. Bukkit Forums. It's based just bukkit.org. Okay. And you go to Get Plugins. We are going to go first Command Bin. Command Bin is a really useful one. It's got a bunch of commands, so you're gonna scroll down. Okay. Command Bin is not on the first page, so you're gonna go to the second page. Okay. There's a lot of people making command plugins, but this one suited me well. Okay, where is it? This is sad. Maybe if we space command bin. Wow. Okay. Never mind that one. I think on my old video I showed how to get essentials, so let's go World Edit. World Edit is amazing. It is. So download. I'll be showing you exactly what this can do, if you don't know already. And then you're actually gonna go and if you're gonna find the server folder, you're gonna open it, you're gonna go into the plugins, and you're gonna save it directly there. But now, World Edit is a zip. It isn't actually a jar like it's supposed to run. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open the zip with WinRAR or whatever archiver you use, and you're gonna take the jar and drag it right into the same place, and then delete the zip. So now you've got World Edit, so we can go ahead and we can start up the server. Let it situate. There we go. We're going to start up Minecraft. To run a server, you have to have a generally good... Oh, not single player. Okay. My IP is 67.183.5.151:25565. If you were wondering, actually you don't have to put the :25565. Okay, so this is my little new server here, and I'm gonna have to opt myself real quick. Okay. Now, what you do is you're gonna type //wand, and you're gonna get a wooden axe. If you don't know what this does, it's probably going to seem odd to you. Well, what you can do, you can select a region by hitting and then doing the right click. So you hit a block and it'll set the first position, and then you can set the second position like either here, or you can do it like, okay. You can like make it up, so you can make like a box instead of just flat. And you can set it to whatever block. So I'm just going to do diamond, and then there you go, it'll set that. Since I chose those two corners, and since this is one thing that you kind of have to get used to. When you hit the block on the ground, that block is selected, not above it. That block. So it made the ground diamonds. I had a lot of trouble with that when I was first starting using World Edit. So then, if you do mess up, you can just do an undo, and it'll be perfectly back where it was. And then let's see. You can do like things like //sphere, or better yet, H-sphere, so it makes it hollow. And then like diamond 10. Yeah, and then it just makes a giant sphere, as you can see. You can do like different things. You can look up tutorials on how to use this if you can't. But yeah, so there's that. Okay, let's go on to the next plugin. So you can exit your Minecraft, or you can keep it open. I don't really care. And then let's go back to that site. You're gonna click back a couple times, and then let's do Safe Creeper. This keeps creepers from blowing up your world. If they blow up, then it won't destroy the world. It will just blow up and nothing else will happen. So Safe Creepers spaced. And then you can download that. This one, I believe, is a jar. So you don't have to open it up like that zip. So you can click download. Save it right exactly where the world at. Oh, the Safe Creeper's a zip too. Okay. Didn't know that. So you go into your plugins, open up Safe Creeper, drag the jar, but this time we also need to drag the folder into there. And then delete the zip. So now it should have Safe Creepers, jar, and folder, and world edit should already have a folder. So then all you gotta do to your server to load the plugin in is just type reload. Easy. So now what we do is we go back on Minecraft. I shouldn't have closed that. That was kind of stupid. Okay. Go on your server again. Alright, so this will keep creepers, at least it should, and then you can also control other mobs. So let's see, game mode S, and as you can see, it did not touch the world, but it did hurt me and killed the pig. Okay, so we can keep Minecraft open that time. Let's go, okay. Let's go back. Let's get another one. Let's see. What else? I'll be right back. Okay. I found another one. Okay, we can do Yap, which is like a permissions plugin. So if you're doing just a small server for you and your friends, and they're all admins, right? Well, you don't need this. But if you're going to run a server that's going to have random players on you do not know, and you want to give them certain commands but not opt them, then this is a good plugin to use. It's easy to set up, and it's not confusing as hell. So, because it was for me, other plugins like where you have to edit certain text files, so you can just save it right there. This one's a jar by itself, so perfectly fine. So then you're going to go back to that folder, and it's going to have Yap in it, and then all you got to do is reload the server once again. Oops. There we go. Now go on Minecraft. Go back on the server. You don't really need to exit the server. Yeah, I just doing that for some reason. So now we're gonna type /yap. This lets you modify permissions. So let's see. I'm gonna modify a player, me, and then I'm gonna type my name. Just there, and then I'm going to. You can add a permission node, but that's you can look up what that is and how to know if it's what permission nodes or what. But things you can do is like set the chat prefix. You can do like and4, which is the number for dark red. Boss. Oops, booze, fail. And now you can quit, and then when I type, boss is behind my name. Then you can go in, edit you, and then you can hit 9, change the color, like dark green, which is not really dark, it's more just rich green, and then quit, and then when I type, green. Perfect. So I guess that's good for if you want to change colors, like little customization. Maybe you don't have to use the permissions, but I don't know if it Yeah, never mind. Okay, so, oops. Okay, so next we can get, okay, let's go back. Let's look, we can get World Guard. This is also another one for only if you have, ones that, a server that people you don't know are going on, and then you can just download that. Right into that same place. It's a zip again, so we're gonna have to open it. Okay, downloading. Okay, World Guard. Take the jar out. If there's no folder that's named the same exact thing, then you don't need to worry about that. But if it's both folder and jar named the same thing, then you want to drag them both out. So we just delete that. Okay. Now we need to reload the server once again. There is a plugin you can get, though, that will let you load in specific plugins without having to reload the entire server. So this actually uses World Edit. So what we can do is we can select a region, maybe about that. Let's mark that. So now we know this region is going to be protected. /region define. You can name it whatever you don't want. I'm just going to name it spawn. And now this region is protected from people that are not admin or people that you don't give permission to build here. You can set flags and let them do certain things in the region, but right now I'm going to de-op myself and show you that I cannot build in this region, but I can out here. So, and I can't build right on the line either. I can't build in here, but out here I can. And then it's no permission for this area. You've probably seen this on a different server. They use the World Edit and World Guard to do this. So it's really useful. You can do like /region flag spawn, and then let's see, like, oh, gotta out myself again. Okay. Then like a random letter, so it'll show you the list. Because it'll say, oh, that doesn't make any sense. I'll just show you what I can do. You can make PvP allowed. You can make it so they can't even pass through. So like, pass through, deny, I think. Oops. And then, gonna de-op myself again. Oops. So then I can't, oh. Well, I don't think it passed through. I don't even know. Well, you guys can figure it out. So, whoopsie. Okay. I think that is good for now. Let's see. You can get starter kit. You can get reloader for reloading in certain plugins. You can get MOTD color, which lets you set the thing, how it says a Minecraft server. You can set that and you can make it colored. That's how, you know, these guys did it. I don't know. Random server. And then you can get like lock it, so you can lock the chests and doors you have. You can get factions. You can get gates. You can get essentials, enchanter, decapitation, anti-fire. A lot of very useful plugins. So see you later, guys. Hope this helped.